Do you want to play, Puppet? Sure. Okay. I think I bought a new house. I bought a new house. That's why we started off in a different house. Oh. Yeah. Gotta open the door. And we're outside. Yes, we're finally outside. What? There's a trampoline? I never knew that. Let's go. Whoa, whoa! We're jumping on the way. Whoa, Freddy. Freddy just rolled over. I just rolled all over. Puppet's sleeping. I dragged his body up here. He's sleeping now. But, woo! I'm gonna do my mega jump. Do my mega jump! Whoa! That was a big mega jump. Ow! Ow! That hurt. Ow! That hurt. Oh, you know, I can't do my mega jump anymore. Ow, that hurt my back. At least I can jump though. Puppet, are you gonna wake up? Hello? I don't think he's gonna wake up. Puppet.